Good morning, Anna.
Good morning, Tom. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm well, thank you, Tom.
How can I improve English fluency?
Practice speaking every day, Tom.
How long should I practice daily?
Practice for at least 30 minutes.
Should I read books in English?
Yes, reading helps expand vocabulary.
Can I watch English TV shows?
Absolutely. It improves listening skills.
What kind of shows should I watch?
Start with simple shows like comedies.
Should I repeat what they say?
Yes, repeating helps with pronunciation.
What about writing in English?
Writing improves grammar and sentence structure.
How often should I write?
Write a little every day, Tom.
Should I speak with native speakers?
Yes, it helps you speak naturally.
How can I find native speakers?
Join language exchange groups or apps.
What if I feel nervous speaking?
It's normal. Start with short conversations.
How can I overcome the nervousness?
Practice with friends and stay patient.
Will my accent affect my fluency?
No, accents are natural, don't worry.
Should I focus on grammar rules?
Focus more on communicating clearly first.
How do I correct my mistakes?
Learn from mistakes, but don't stop speaking.
How important is vocabulary for fluency?
Very important. Learn new words daily.
How many words should I learn?
Start with 5 new words daily.
Should I use a dictionary often?
Yes, use one to understand meanings.
Can I improve with English podcasts?
Yes, podcasts improve listening and comprehension.
Should I take formal English classes?
Classes help, but practice is key.
How can I speak more confidently?
Confidence grows with regular speaking practice.
Is it helpful to sing English songs?
Yes, songs can improve pronunciation.
What if I don't understand everything?
It's okay. Focus on key words first.
Should I learn formal or informal English?
Learn both, but practice formal conversations.
How do I remember new vocabulary?
Use new words in sentences daily.
Should I keep a vocabulary notebook?
Yes, writing down words helps memory.
What about practicing in front of a mirror?
That's a good way to improve confidence.
Can I improve fluency by traveling?
Yes, traveling exposes you to real conversations.
Should I learn idiomatic expressions?
Yes, idioms help you sound more natural.
Is there a best time to practice?
Practice whenever you feel comfortable, Tom.
How can I measure my progress?
Record yourself speaking and compare results.
Should I use English subtitles on TV?
Yes, they help with understanding dialogue.
Is it good to think in English?
Yes, thinking in English helps fluency.
Can learning grammar books help fluency?
They help, but speaking practice is better.
How do I improve my listening skills?
Listen to English audio as much as possible.
Should I watch English news programs?
Yes, they improve formal listening skills.
Can I join English-speaking social events?
Yes, they offer great speaking practice opportunities.
Should I imitate native speakers' pronunciation?
Yes, imitation can improve your pronunciation.
What if I forget a word?
Describe it or use a simpler word.
Is it important to practice every day?
Yes, daily practice builds fluency quickly.
Should I set fluency goals?
Yes, small goals keep you motivated.
How should I organize my practice?
Focus on listening, speaking, reading, writing.
How do I stay motivated?
Celebrate small successes and keep challenging yourself.
Will my fluency improve in 6 months?
Yes, if you practice consistently, Tom.
What should I avoid while learning?
Avoid overthinking and comparing yourself to others.
Should I review past lessons often?
Yes, review keeps knowledge fresh.
Can I practice with online videos?
Yes, they help with listening and understanding.
Should I focus on British or American English?
Learn both, but pick one accent to focus on first.
How do I improve my pronunciation?
Record yourself and practice tricky words.
Should I learn slang words too?
Yes, but focus on formal language first.
How do I become fluent faster?
Speak more, listen more, and stay consistent.
How can I learn difficult phrases?
Break them down and practice slowly.
What resources should I use?
Use apps, books, and native conversations.
Is it useful to repeat sentences often?
Yes, repetition builds confidence and memory.
How can I practice when alone?
Talk to yourself or practice with recordings.
Should I learn technical English?
Only if it's necessary for your work or studies.
Can I speak English with myself?
Yes, it's a good way to practice.
Will practicing English with friends help?
Yes, speaking with friends improves fluency.
Should I focus on speed or accuracy?
Accuracy first, then speed will follow.
What's the best way to memorize words?
Use new words in everyday situations.
Should I practice both formal and informal language?
Yes, balance both to sound natural.
How long does fluency take?
Fluency varies, but practice speeds progress.
What's the most important fluency tip?
Stay consistent, patient, and enjoy learning.
Thank you, Anna, for everything.
You're welcome, Tom. Keep practicing.
Anna, do you speak fluently?
Yes, I've practiced for many years.
How did you become fluent quickly?
I practiced every day without excuses.
Did you ever feel discouraged learning?
Yes, but I kept going anyway.
How did you overcome those feelings?
I focused on my small achievements.
What small achievements helped you exactly?
Speaking in short conversations, for example.
Did you practice with native speakers often?
Yes, I spoke with them daily.
Was it scary speaking to them?
At first, yes, but it passed.
How long did it take you?
It took me about 1 year.
What was your biggest challenge?
Understanding fast speech was difficult initially.
How did you improve listening skills?
I listened to podcasts while walking.
That sounds like a good idea.
It helped me a lot, Tom.
Should I try that too?
Yes, it's great for daily practice.
Did you read many English books?
Yes, reading improves your vocabulary significantly.
What types of books should I read?
Start with short stories or novels.
Can I read English newspapers instead?
Yes, they help you learn formal language.
Did you travel to English-speaking countries?
Yes, I visited the UK once.
Did you speak English every day there?
Yes, it was great practice, Tom.
What was the most useful tip?
Never be afraid to make mistakes.
Do mistakes really help you improve?
Yes, you learn more from them.
What mistake did you make often?
Mixing up similar words like much and many.
How did you fix that issue?
I practiced using them in sentences.
Should I focus on specific grammar rules?
Yes, but don't let it stop you.
Did you use any language apps?
Yes, I used apps to track progress.
Which app did you find helpful?
I like Duolingo and HelloTalk, Tom.
Should I use those apps too?
Yes, they'll keep your learning fun.
Do you think I'll be fluent?
Absolutely, with dedication and consistent practice.
What motivates you to keep practicing?
I enjoy meeting new English speakers.
I'd like to meet them too.
You will, Tom, just keep practicing.
I will. Thanks again, Anna.
Anytime, Tom. You're doing great.